Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I'm your teacher Ma'am Huma and this is Show and Tell English lecture number 23. Everyone please raise your hand for dua. Dua for learning. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Let's revise Islamiyat question and answer. Question is, in which months we celebrate Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha? Answer is, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal and Eid al-Adha in the month of Zilhajj. Let's learn again. We celebrate Eid al-Fitr in the month of Shawwal and Eid al-Adha in the month of Zilhajj. What you need for today's work: student book, activity book, literacy book with a pencil, eraser and sharpener. Hurry up children, go and bring student book and open page number 27. Lesson is Think with Me. Objectives of the lesson is: number 1, to talk about what we eat at each meal. Number 2, to practice the new language through a song. Number 3, to make a food diary.
132. Listen and sing.
I'm so hungry, what's for breakfast? Do you want some cereal? Yes, please. What about some milk? Yes, please. And some yogurt and some fruit. Oh, yes. Yes, please. I'm so hungry, what's for lunch? Do you want a sandwich? Yes, please. What about some milk? Yes, please. And some yogurt and some fruit. Oh, yes. Yes, please. I'm so hungry, what's for dinner? Do you want some pasta? Yes, please. What about some milk? Yes, please. And some yogurt and some fruit. Oh, yes. Yes, please.
Now children, on page 27, write date 27th August. 27, then write TH with it. August, 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 comma 2020. Leave space and then write capital H dot T. Then leave space again and write Thursday. THURSDAY. Lesson is Think with Me. THINK. Think. WITH with ME. Me. Think with me. Now children, here you will see student book page number 26 also. And look what the people in the photograph eat for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Now look at page number 27. Where are the children? Are they in the kitchen? And what they are eating for breakfast? Look at the dad. Dad is making lunch and mom is thinking about dinner. That what she has to make for dinner. Children, look at the right hand side and read with me. Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Lunch, lunch, lunch. dinner, dinner. Now here are some food items given in front of breakfast, lunch and dinner. Look at the first picture, that is yogurt, yogurt, yogurt. Then fruit, fruit, fruit. Cereal, cereal, cereal. Milk, milk, milk. Fish, fish, fish. Rice, rice, rice. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. Then bread, bread, bread. Now what you have to do? You have to do practice at home, that words for dinner, words for breakfast. Then you have to give answer. They have cereal for breakfast, they have milk for breakfast, and they have fruit for lunch. Now in front of these food items, there are some blank spaces given. Like, look at yogurt. First one already done for you. In that square, there is L is written for lunch. Then look at fruit. When you would like to have fruit in your lunch, you can write L there. Then cereal for breakfast, you have to write capital B there. Then look at picture of milk. What you will write there? Capital B. Now fish, when you will have your fish in dinner, you will write D there. And look at the rice picture, there you will write L. Then vegetables, there you will write L. And bread, you will write D there. Now open activity book, page number 23. Instructions on the page is given that make a picnic basket, cut and stick. Now on page number 23, pictures are given on the right hand side. You have to cut them and paste them into the picnic basket. There are two blank boxes are given where you can draw other items which you like to take along with you for the picnic. Now open literacy book, page number 13. Look at the top of the page and write date 27th August 2020. Then write capital H dot capital T. Then write Thursday, THURSDAY, Thursday. Now look at the top of the page. Choose 3 things. Write the words in your picnic basket. On this page, there is a picnic basket given and lines are given. You have to write just 3 items, 3 things, names of 3 things which you like to eat. On the left side, pictures and the spellings of food items are given. First, read with me. Meat, eat, meat. Fish, fish, fish. Peas, peas, peas. Beans, beans, beans. Peach, peach, peach. Cream, cream. Pasta, pasta, pasta. Banana, banana, banana. Now what you have to do, you have to choose any 3 things and you have to write in the middle of the basket on the lines. You have to write these spellings. Pasta, 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 meat and banana. Now let's learn days of the week. Today you have to learn spelling of Friday. 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 Now children, I hope you like this lesson. Inshallah next week I will come again with the new topic, new things. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.